Are you tired of disorganized projects that go off track? Well, project management tools are here to save the day. These tools help you plan, execute, and monitor your projects efficiently. With project management tools, you can effectively allocate resources and manage deadlines. By using these tools, you can easily collaborate with team members and improve communication. Get rid of long email chains and confusing spreadsheets. Project management tools streamline your workflow. Stay organized by creating project timelines, assigning tasks, and tracking progress in real time. Track your project's milestones and identify potential bottlenecks before they become major roadblocks. Project management tools provide you with insightful analytics and reports to make data-driven decisions. Make your projects more transparent by giving stakeholders access to project updates and documentation. Manage your projects from anywhere, anytime with cloud-based project management tools. Eliminate the need for manual updates and ensure everyone is working with the latest information. Boost productivity by establishing clear roles, responsibilities, and priorities with project management tools. Increase accountability by assigning tasks and setting deadlines for team members. With project management tools, you can easily delegate tasks and track their progress. Efficiently manage project budgets and expenses by using project management tools. Minimize risks and address issues promptly through effective risk management features. Monitor project timelines and avoid delays by implementing project tracking and notification systems. Keep all project-related information in one central location and access it whenever you need it. Avoid confusion and duplication of efforts by using project management tools for resource management. Ensure timely project completion by setting task dependencies and monitoring critical paths. Improve team collaboration by providing a centralized platform for sharing documents and feedback. Get a holistic view of your project's progress by using project management tools with Gantt charts. Ensure smooth communication by using built-in discussion forums and chat features. Manage your project scope effectively by clearly defining the deliverables and setting boundaries. Optimize your project's performance by regularly reviewing and refining processes using project management tools. Save time and effort by automating repetitive tasks and workflows with project management tools. Eliminate the need for countless meetings and endless follow-ups by using project management tools for efficient communication. Enhance project transparency and accountability by creating detailed project reports and documenting project progress. Improve decision-making by having access to real-time project data and analytics. Increase team collaboration and reduce misunderstandings through effective task assignment and tracking. Boost efficiency by prioritizing tasks and identifying critical activities with project management tools. Save resources by avoiding unnecessary rework and improving overall project quality. Ensure customer satisfaction by delivering projects on time and meeting their expectations with project management tools. Mitigate project risks by actively monitoring project issues and implementing mitigation strategies.